Hey, it's Lars here, and today I'm going to be explaining to you exactly how to convert more of your live chats into paying customers for your furniture business. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've built my own 8-figure furniture brand, Nancy Home Store, and now I'm helping other furniture stores to do the same thing and make a bunch of money. So yeah, how do we actually get more live chats to convert from us? Now, the problem that we typically face with live chats is that if we don't respond to them within like half a minute, they typically disappear, right? Like sometimes people stick around a bit longer, but if we don't have a person that's on there constantly, we're gonna miss out on sales. So one way to combat this, which is really effective, is by having an autoresponder message saying something along the lines of, "Thank you for your message." So after they've already sent us a message, we send them an automated message saying, "Thank you for your message. We'll get to you as soon as we can." Just to prevent any mishaps from happening, just to prevent us from getting disconnected, feel free to leave us your phone number so we can serve you better. And then that way, many people, like at least 50 to 70% of all the live chats, are going to leave us their phone number. And this way, we can call them up at our own convenience. We can keep following up with them. And yeah, we can just keep calling them until they buy, essentially. So this has been a really good conversion booster for us. We get many sales in like this, which we otherwise would have lost, because these live chats, if they don't receive a response and they leave, they feel like we're not a real company. The trust has been kind of broken, so to say. Well, if we call them, it's way easier to build a connection with them, way easier to hear about their wants and needs for their interiors, what kind of furniture that they need, and it's just way easier to close them, right? So I would highly recommend to implement this. Get an autoresponder message asking for the phone number, and you're gonna make more sales.